Liquid UI SDK provides a simple yet powerful enterprise development solution for rapidly customizing and mobilizing your existing SAP system. Our SDK allows you to replicate SAP screens and customize it at runtime to fit your business needs. How does it work? Once configured, navigate to the SAP transaction screen you want to edit. Now simply open Designer to begin editing. With Designer, you can build powerful SAP apps or create cross-platform components using the WYSIWYG or script editor. Delete unused elements for simplifying the screen. Convert F4 options into radio buttons for improved usability. Display custom messages for minimizing data entry errors. Furthermore, you can combine multiple screens and transactions, or create personalized launchpads, use customized barcodes, and more that adapt to your business users' preferred workflows. Notice that all the customizations are done through JavaScript. These scripts are placed on the Liquid UI server, which manipulates the existing data stream between your backend and your SAP GUI. Liquid UI server results in significant performance improvements by optimizing your existing network traffic while sustaining the transaction richness. The same script and architecture power our mobile offerings on iOS, Android, and Windows CE devices. There is no need to rebuild your existing Liquid UI scripts or modify your existing SAP applications. We leverage the speed and security of SAP's own native DIAG protocol. This means Liquid UI is compatible with your SAP ERP as is, whether you are on R3, ECC, or S4. Revolutionize your development environment and start getting dramatic, unrealized value from your SAP ERP.